Ahee Magaza. Episode leyi tisiwa ka n'wina hi Undefined House. Undefined House collection is not about just garments. It's about self-expression, about making a statement without altering a word. Undefined House, fashion undefined.
Oh, cause as you know, we are on a tour. It's Heritage Month in Mpumalanga. Kambe mtele kwini? Atulamashi. A cottage Itari.
Yeah.
This special episode is proudly brought to you by Cottage Itari Atulamashi.
Yes, sir.
Ila nga kona. Vikile nga hunza ahiri kwini? Ahiri a open. So namtla ile.
Oh, last week I'm open in
namtla ile Tulamashi. I ran a butere last week. So yeah, man, we here. This episode, as you know, our sponsors is Undefined House. Evan Vaini, Vamagoja. Evan va te magata tempasha. Urukatela yini.
Vamagoja. Eva queen man Vamagoja.
Goja pela ilapi. Mara ay loko ri hlakalini guja.
Nomi leswi ntiwa swo.
Guja loko ri hlakalini.
Tinjhovo.
Ilapi. Ilapi.
Aleni riskoropo. Iskoropo ni guja swi hambane. Kumbe is the same thing.
Xikoropa ni xo tlina.
Oh,
guja ro lo hlakala.
Oh.
Umbele maguja.
Oh, yeah.
Oro isil leswi swi nga tshama for nkarhi wo leha.
Oh.
And then like aswi mbali nkarhi wo leha swo tshama and stele.
Mashaka.
So
Khona.
Convinced by Mashaka.
Guys, I'm lost. I need to finish up guja hii.
Sani tiele ayi ngakuyamuhisa manje. Sipanti.
Etiya ne? Mashaka. Mashaka so nikombe mpusha mic le loko u tshamisa sweswo le mahlweni ka le like ule ndaka yona ifani kumeka ri mahlweni ka wena
guja.
Yeah u tatsa ku vulavula hi maguja. Yeah nakutwa manje all right. So as Mr. This episode is proudly brought to you by Undefined House. Undefined House, it's not just about garments, it's about what statement shashavon. So yeah, and then namutla tsamena one of better one is the one of the most wanted. This one as we so when I the most wanted ibo man suka sukse kwi after kwi sungete yin. So it's hamena lava batwa ka TikTok e PROMAD Betra PROMAD rita roma kwini ni shoko swihlangana vo promise.
Yeah.
Mara meda ni swi ita kwi.
Promise wa kuhlanya.
Awungavulavuli wena lo.
Was just good takuli yeah ukunangutisa yeah sharp. Bangutiva kazi. Engemongutiva.
So original name J promise ma Donselo.
Yeah.
So before
PROMAD. Okay.
Yeah. Before this stand-up comedy thing, my stage name Aungari PROMAD.
Yeah.
Aguri Blackbear. Blackbear, yeah.
Okay.
So as you know,
mesen monesu nganyani manje. Blackberry mesen monesu nganyani. Mara da clarify ngwesh.
So I was called Blackbear.
Yeah.
So I went to this other comedy show, Epitor Centurion, Chisanyam.
Yeah.
Is it Ile Centurion?
Yeah, Centurion. Yeah.
So nifika nhlangana na this other comedian, akuno ungativiti Blackbear cause kuna Blackbear unwanyani wale with band.
Okay.
So it's better uchinche vito ra wewe.
Yeah.
So I was like, ntativita man. Kuna vito rin'wana ngativita hi ro before lera PROMAD. Out of context.
Now we
abortion.
No,
like don't perform before perform, ladies and gentlemen, the guy who's about to come on stage right now is one of the best comedians. Please give it up for our boy. Needs to talk after sound right. Like they begin to wonder. So I went home. No guy, man. I need a name. So then I nikate pro from Promise. Mad from Madonsela. So ni combine.
Oh, then you PROMAD.
Promise wakuhlanya.
Mara sasekenda PROMAD.
No, sasekini.
Na tisona so why nimnike swakudya man.
Engemoyitiva kuna mfanele mkhami ukuya kulukumba lo kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Ne? Okay. And then sa comedy sita swuma because na swita vitu Blackberry so lako ikarlo bo Blackberry kumbe xana
yeah,
refresh nini. So lako mkarhi ya khale nyana.
And Singaska fambisana na the blacker the Jew.
Yo, the blacker the bear, the sweeter the Jew. You got it right.
The blacker. Mashaka the blacker zukuini.
The sweeter the Jews.
The blacker the berry. The sweeter the Jews.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mashaka got it right.
PROMAD ilego support this one the what
Ne?
So the video Blackberry song net last in. Eka grade 9 eh? Yeah, it was grade 9. It was grade 9. So
grade 9 is that man.
Standard 7. We take college school, ne?
Say cookie.
And I was standard 7. So yeah, I was in grade 9.
Wait, form 1.
Grade 12 yeah, standard 8.
A life science car biology.
Ba level junior what?
Ewo banga Johnson itinji ya.
Okay.
Majonda ke yonje. Mina on page hivi so babato bansukela kwala. PROMAD.
So Blackberry sunguleka grade 9. Wabona loko ani newcomer eka xikolo xin'wana va ri Banikosa High School wa.
Yeah.
So loko nifike Banikosa High School, Blackberry Blackberry.
Yeah.
So va ku ti hlamuseli swa ku mani usuka kwini. So as you know kune munhu lwa wa note vela. So nifike classini, my name is Promise Madonsela, my son name is Madonsela. My mom, she uses a Blackberry phone. So crowd veta you Blackberry. So ever since everyone called me Blackberry. So yeah, I was that naughty kid, man. At classini waku lokungana teacher many market classini ni shake
Oh yeah.
So this comedic journey started from there. And then I met this other teacher from Limpopo, very teacher Mbiza.
Yeah.
So it was the one way angani Shavele CD rakusungula la Trevor no.
Okay.
Yeah, shout out to teacher Mbiza, by the way. He's still a teacher at Banikosa High School. So he was the one who told me, go like, bruh, I can see like you have a comedic vibe, kawe. Do you know stand-up comedy?
Ne.
So no, I don't know stand-up comedy. So I introduced like stand-up comedy. So yeah, Isung there. So the journey professionally, I started doing stand-up comedy professionally at Pitori Estate Theatre.
Yeah.
I was given a chance by this other guy, a vendor guy called Kilibonim Laudzi.
I think
he was the first guy to introduce Trevor Noah.
Oh yeah. Kilibonim Laudzi.
Yeah, I know the guy.
So he was the one who gave me a platform. First time in Estate Theatre Pitori, was hosting Thursday comedy shows.
Yeah.
At Pitori in 2017.
Okay.
Yeah, I will never forget this day. It was on Thursday, Akuri June. And guy platform. Yeah,
then yiva sukinia yakagaza.
And I was not funny.
Yakagaza la Pumalanga.
Yeah, yakagaza. Yeah, and
I'm interested to understand you were not funny in what sense? You knew or you were not funny, or were you comparing yourself?
That is a beautiful question. A question I can't ngo. And then I will get Gaza.
Alam Pumalang. Gaza na.
Yeah. Gaza.
Kasi Gaza kulu ile kui.
Gaza
Gaza halam.
So Gaza le Mozambique. Kun ka Gaza Mozambique. So Gaza nkulu ningahemba mara.
Gaza nkulu ile
Before Mpumalanga, I Mpumalanga. Bushbuckridge ayiwela under Gazankulu.
Oh.
Ayiwela Gazankulu.
AsikaNtsangweni.
AsikaNtsangweni.
Okay.
So coming to the question yamashaba. Mashaba kava kweni.
Well, so I wasn't good. I wasn't a
Oh.
best comedian.
No, angati compare na munhu mashaba. You know, sometimes loko urleka environment yo karhi ni vanhu vo karhi u tiva swa ku wo the best.
Yeah.
Until uhuma eka ndhawu yo karhi ya kun'wanyana.
Yeah,
So then the moment you get there you see ku
Hey.
I
Terapini. Communications lembe rin'wana exikolweni va kha hi lomu huma kwa fa this is the best.
This is the
student.
best.
Yini bani kuma na yini?
Na yini? Na mina nje ngakhanda stage kwa ni one down to. So now so ko va van'wana dala me vona so mara bi
Mama, like leswi mi swi vulaka ku na xivutiso ne
Yeah.
xi huma ka vanhu mhaka leya xi huma ka tshungwini especially after mi ta va mi kombisi ku amukela ku ri swi nga swi kha swi fambisana na the blacker the berry
Yes.
the sweeter the juice
The blacker the
Ne?
blacker.
So mina lexi ni nga xi vulaka i ku question leyi na ku yi yimela ku vayingiseri a va yimi hi za hi fika le makumu va ta yi kuma nhlamulo ni sure ku na vo va le ku tivutiseni ka question leyi and then ta mi vutisa
Oh, okay.
yeah
No, I can't wait.
okay
Yeah, ndzi rhandza ngopfu ti-question ta kusuka ka vanhu vasati.
okay
Hey. Hey.
Blackberry, I'm telling you.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then swi sungule kwala and then Jenny fambisa sweswo mveta mi va comedian kusukise kwala and then na sweswi
Na-
ka ha yimi rero.
ena ta rhandza ku twa na swiganga swa kona ku loko se i sukini kwala ko Blackberry na teacher ximanimani a yi nyikeli a swi fambisa ku yini
Le ra vulavula.
Ne? Mi nyika swakudya.
Ene ri ni xirimu. Blackberry.
Hi loko hi sukile wa swi twa?
Blackberry. Okay, guys, it was not easy. Kuvulavula ntiyiso wabona? From State Theatre, as I was saying, I was not funny. Mntani khomela ukuvulavula ngopfu hi xilungu.
No, it's fine.
Ni ringete ku va ni hlanganisa Xitsonga xa hala ka n'wina.
Nah, it's right.
Mara ni nga khuluma xa hina.
Yeah, vulavula ni
Oh,
xala.
Uma ka
swo.
Yeah.
nga kuma na ku dlayiwa
Muka ka swo.
Angizingeni.
Muka ka swo.
So loko nuku a ni nga hlekisi i mhaka ku wa vona loko u sungule xirho u nga na munhu loyi a ku byelaka swa ku okay endla so vona. So ni yo suka ni experience leya le tlilasini swa ku loko ni yimile tlilasini ni vulavule vanhu eventually vo hleka swi vona.
Yeah.
Kasi loko ni fika eka the other thing va ta ni khomele ti-comedian letin'wana ti nga ta bukela show leyi. We have stand up comedians.
Yeah.
We have ti-skits makers hi ni ti-clown wa vona. No rivala swa ku yini leswin'wana leswaku actor. Yeah. We have those comedians.
Yeah.
As fun.
Ne?
And in the stage there at fun.
Ne?
When we talk about stand-up comedy is something shaku you have to write a joke.
Ne?
And then in your own space you have to rehearse that joke.
Ne?
U conceptualize swa ku okay ni crowd ya so loko nita fika ni vula so va ta hlekisa or twisisa. So I was not exposed to that information.
Oh.
Ni suke ni information ya le ka grade 11, grade 10, grade man uka eventually loko ni me classini vanhu va ta hleka ni loko ni fike State Theatre vanhu va ta hleka. Ni fika ni beti joke leta ni bato classini. So shout out to Chris Mampani, this other big comedian.
Yeah, Chris Mampani.
Yeah, Chris Mampani was the one loyi angangela swa ku ngwenya lani you write.
Ne?
La you rehearse. Lani you think swa ku before ni.
So ma rehearsa mi ri one.
Yeah.
Andlwini.
So Chris picked this up. After one, no, this guy is using that raw talent.
Yeah.
If I what talent, then is it the guy who anga pick up and then asubula, then that's where you use it.
Yeah.
As you were given.
Yeah. And a nga ri yena ntsena Chris na ye ki di voni mlaudzi na yena nbyele swa ku no ntwana this thing you don't just go in front of people and then u vulavule swilo swa ku u cabanga swa ku swa hlekisa se vanhu va ta hleka. You have to come up with a heading or something sha ku swi swa okay this thing sha humelela on a daily basis.
Ne?
Ku fana na Jay ne
But
Bas John
Eh.
u nga endle joke here yingam offendi
Yeah.
mara ku ri reality ya ye
Ne.
yeah so yi tani
ungayenzi man
ka xivutiso xexo xa ku ku na ti-comedians to tala ne ka ti-stand up
Yeah.
kuma va endla ti-joke hi vanhu on the crowd ne and u kuma ku loko mina ni swi yingisela ni twa ku loko wa ku lovoliwa mehe a ta va offended for life
Ne.
Yeah.
maybe after mirisa vito ka mehe or swin'wanyana or kuma ku i swilo leswi u kuma ku I wasn't expecting it and swi jika swi nyika that bad that bad situation like an awkward moment at that time. Do you work around that also?
Yeah, we do. It is called crowd work. The jokes later we figure pick up someone in a crowd. Mara is actually let's show delaga ematsonga emachangano bo.
Yeah.
Shaku we go to okay, when you go to the comedy show, you are going to the comedy show. See the feelings and Louis. What is this? Cause look I only joke with Bas John out at leg.
Yeah.
Logo yenze joke iwe so yeah
Mama na joke ka bas John eh. Mfata mi chava swish. Eka tsongo.
mina Bas John is all guys
I think
I kupuka high blood man
so she tano so we have to work around that we should know and understand when you go to the comedy show you should expect shilo xin'wana xin'wanyana what is this whether uni blondie unimkhava you should expect I can come eka we ni be joke simple
Mara like okay mina loko ni mtiva from last year ne
yeah
ka CMC very comedy
night yeah
last year yeah so layani if mitastunduka kahle kuri akuvi na sichokolodzani leswi nga humelela sa ku vana ngasivuli ku hansa mara ku vana sweswa swo ku vanhu va nga cooperate kahle mi dila njhani na swo fana na sweswiya and n'wina
Ya taleriwa maxaka na te.
Shilo ku ilori wini.
Ne?
amashaka wa stikela ka blackberry
Maxaka.
and mi dila njhani na swilo swo fana na sweswo and loko ndzi ka kahle ku vi na ku va na ti-joke tin'wana ni swi twisisi ku mi ku vanhu va fane va siya ti-feelings kaya mara ku vi na ti-joke tin'wana leti mi nga fika mi ti hlaya layani leti ti nga endla i nga ri ti vi offensive ka vanhu especially hi mhaka ku a ku ri na vanhu lavakulu for hina obviously it's fun ha hleka mara for vanhu lavakulu like how do you work around swilo swo fana na sweswo ku ka ndhawini leya so
Solo ti-feelings leti nga tsekiwa kati u bariwe ntiya le ka comedy show.
ka va
Lava unmet ti-feelings leti siwa kaya.
A ku va na vafundhisi.
Ku na leswi
a ku na
ku na leswi va nga swi vula ne ivi ti-feelings
mara mashaka onembe mashaka onembe okay
Yeah.
coming to your question we understand me personally I understand shaku matsonga avasina swisisa this thing ya comedy slowly but surely they are getting there loko if you anuta tisa hansi kumbe ni se matsonga le kaya ya hansi mara this thing is a new thing loko lo ta cheka a movement leyi ya ri ya new eka hina the comedian loyi ucabangaka loko tshamile ya matsonga it's either ucabanga me ucabanga Chavi CMC ucabanga Mackenzie G1 what is this and those people they have started nje few years back so it is still a new thing loko ulokta eka ti other cultures or vanhu van'wanyani loko ulokta eka tinguni speaking languages you can have like
Kamaxhosa mostly.
yeah
Mazulu.
voloyisogola and ukwache kuma vasungule khale or to early 2000 so it's a new thing this thing so sometimes I do understand shaku loko ufike ka comedy show uvulavula na twisisa swa okay angasinavani that understanding yaku I have to sit down and listen to the comedian wabona it's very disappointing loko ufika eka comedy show as a comedian on stage ukube joke vanhu va vulavula because kunti joke tin'wanyani ti lava munhu a va yingiselile attentively so that ata relate ni story xa wehe or twisisa unlike singing you can unga fika uyimbelela vanhu va vulavula it's fine because aneri ku tlanga sound so but us you have to listen but naswona swi twisisa swa ku loko va nga twisisi so is because of this thing is still new xa ku sungula ene van'wanyani va eka ti-comedy show se va dakwile or swi twisisa ene munhu loko a za dakwile a nga controleki the moment u vulavula e joke yake a nga yi twisisi ta muti hayi so ka wona but ka show ya CMC mina I do clean comedy I don't insult ani ruketeli my comedy is clean you can go to my TikTok account or wherever you will see everything is clean so ka comedy show ya CMC I was the first comedian to perform and the reason why I was like let me be the crowd puller at least vata vani interest yaku the next comedian loko afika henhle ka ku vanhu va yingiselile
sengwami vuli ti comedy leta to katsa swilo ish in a way yeah
no masa
you know when you mention it you know
masangu no we do have those those jokes mara I grew up in an environment where like we ekaya kuni
now
ibazalwane wabona yeah my uncle is a pastor wabona we all go to church on Sundays wabona yeah so uyatitsona nchakudya
so umzalwane indlela le
yeah I'm a born again Christian
okay
so it's very very hard for me
why nangutisa loko va ku born again Christian na mina ni born again Christian wena why nangusa mina
di
born again
ari puluso wange be born again so okay guys it's not easy for me kwani ni channel ngonda me to think about one tate di jokes takufana ntete but at the same time I'll be like yo this is
what if
what if one so I just do clean comedy that's what I when I build my brand eka show loko nikume sontweni I'll give you jokes unikume tavern I'll give you clean comedy wherever I just do clean comedy.
Speaking of your clean comedy / being a born again Christian nabone Amirna show it is 16 I think it was one of your clean comedy because I think it was held in that was not the one in church. There was another one that we held in church.
On the 16th, you know, this month. Is it this month?
I think it was this month if I recall. Kuna le mga endlela
Kerekeni. It was the 25th of June 25th. That was my one-man comedy show. Airnayo ka Kerekeni one Kuala Bushback region Kuhlu Abundant.
Yeah.
So at the 16th, it was not a comedy show. It was a gospel music festival.
Oh yeah, that's why the gospel. Yeah.
I was an MC.
Response Ranger.
It was proper.
Yeah.
Even that one, again. We just trying to negotiate some deals. We just wanna find a deal so then we don't wanna just drop it.
No. Okay. You're right.
At least we wanna get something out of it.
Oh.
So we are still in jail.
So meaning, do you make money out of this, or like? On a scale
you love man, yo.
What do you expect?
Hey, baka Eva.
On a scale of
from a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah.
This industry.
As I've said, this is a new industry. We do make money, more especially when we are invited to be program directors. Yeah, because of the exposure that we have, we do make money, but not enough. But we do because remember,
Oh yeah.
Now we are renewing. I was not like a podcast.
Hey, shouldn't we back at the recent trend? I think Fumanshuluban was saying something about the tongas and everything, and then when he's saying this thing, she knew kama tonga ne. I think even the acting, you knew kama tonga.
Yeah.
Ikuya ilesi yinga show. Bangabari kwa wan bakhala.
Yeah, anla tabula kwa la.
Exposure yaku even ibana bo Land of Blood. no, comedy it's different. Ne? Comedy, because comedy you expect the unexpected.
Yeah.
Mara ka acting na so na esungwanyana. So I loko siri new so are you saying this thing you expose ka ibile nakuba the MC nakuba kwala no si endla ku because obviously when you're a comedian you can stand up. You can stand up in front of a crowd.
Yeah.
Mi fambisa nongonoko ka.
Yeah.
Kore
Umtshato. Yeah.
simphula ngopfu ka nile ka side leri ya ngopfu.
Yeah.
Ra ku MC
Comedian comedy hi yoxe yi va yi ri ku endleni na monetary value even on those platforms. The MC.
Coming to that one, hey guys, sorry ni ranze politique. In ranze politique, more especially ay Matsonga.
Yeah.
I care a lot, over. Coming to that one, yaku Matsonga, this acting thing, yanyuana. No, I knew I nyuana ka Matsonga lish. So actor. It's just that you don't believe in this. If I let go, Matsonga. What is this?
kuna one check
Mavoko kwalano mapokotela.
mako
Swi eliminator wun'wanyana
Yi nga kona,
yi
ya.
nga sunguriwa hi Fumani a nga swi vulavula hi ndlela yin'wana van'wana va swi kumangi kahle van'wana va swi kume kahle ne so ku na mpfilunganya leswi nga swi vula sweswi swa ku pfaleriwa.
Makes a
I've
lot
been
of
saying this for
ene mashava loko hi taka loko na ku vuya ka leyo swi new in a sense ya ku a hi nyikiwanga opportunity ya ku ya testa twisisa nyana so u nge vuyi tlhela ta njudge na ku sungula ku la ku testa
mhlabe neve yin'wanyana i komba ya continue wa PROMAD la
hi tsika leyo ne yi nga hisa kun'wanyana
drink.
So
hey, vara lokuta hume vayisela. Okay,
abakhomi mfundisi labayani
abakhomi matimovila
Emashava ne.
emashava va ku hlamula
Coming back to that one yakipalelwe ngopfu ne. Ematsonga ipalelwe ngopfu. Loko lo cheka way back. I don't know kumento promote the show le.
yeah
Generation.
yeah
Way back. I rinish changani ka generation. Mara loko kwa cheka zanga xilasta for there was this guy on my dreads.
lo endla advert ya Savannah
This guy etelele ya lo endle Savannah
Yeah.
ngetela ve hobonyana.
Yeah.
actually there for 2 minutes.
Yeah, he was
I remember.
Song,
Yeah.
Loko lo cheka bra tingoma leti ti tsakisaka. Not currently. We have best songs. Loko lo cheka hinkwato tingoma leti tsakisaka ti ni Xitsonga exikarhi.
ne
We can take you back. Masingita ntakubani kudlaya me. Coming, yeah, you come. It's Xitsonga.
song
Xigubu xi ba swinene.
Yeah, man, ke loko ni ku kuma ni ku
Was twisisa
That's where lo mkabalungu, you understand? So if you want to check, look kwa check those big awards abatifaki tingoma leti.
ne
Yeah, because kuna this thing yaku logo uriso ayakufaki la, logo uriso ayakufaki. It brings back emagaku ukumasha kuna a certain comedy show Lampumalanga. Utakuma a certain individuals from wherever they will come here and perform. Or you will find some people lokurna event Elipompo, they will come Elipompo and perform.
Yeah.
And only to find out Kubeni Maingani is one of our biggest artists. Only to find out Kubeni Maingani angai Edeben I perform, for an example.
oh
You
yeah
understand? So there is a certain boundaries like Ematsonga ngana to, and which is if we are not careful Ematsonga, we will not grow.
ne
So we have to focus on our own thing.
and sometimes loko se la ku veka le nga valala yo last week ya tarina yo ya ku va na performance ya yo straight
yes
loko tarhe yo sungula yo performance swi sungula kaya phela are we willing to support him
yeah
the way nga support ku artist ya kusuka KZN or wherever yi ta performa la cause loko ho kota ku ndla timhaka to fana teto to loko tarhe yo sungula ya yoho chapter yi ku sweswi meni la ku sungula ta mehe performance hina vala vatsonga hayima na yo hi ku la ku mphekela ku msupporta na even the way loko la ku check example which we actually even did hi president Mayengana loko endla fill up phela fill up leyi ninginise timbewu to hambanahambana ta varimi ka industry lava van'wana va nga sungula ku vulavula hi yona va yi compare na ya Casper wa twisisa nyana so you can see ku we can do it without certain groups and navo va ta swivona ku hi serious le swi nge le ku swindleni swi sungula hi hina.
Speaking of such PROMAD kuna leswi nge le swi endleni n'wina as yourself doing mi endla very yini event ya n'wina mere one and pulling other people to come like one man show as you say.
No, and guys we are not tribalists. I not tribalism kumbe so silava skuma right. We do have like we do host the shows that kufana ntaku even if my one man show ne I even one man show ne one. I do have the opening acts.
The upcoming
one man shows are like that.
Even though anbafakanga post. They are not upcoming comedians. As my last comedy show yet 25. It was a one man show. The reason why now as the artist in ego. At least I managed to bring 20 people alone. So then unike vanhu van'wanyana a sport so va performer
and you know what, big up for that. If you can bring at least more than 5 people one boy in that 5 10 mata kufulela you've done a lot. Department of India Arts and Culture should endorse you for that. Should do something for that. Because so then what are they existing for?
So it's another story for another day.
Yes.
Wa vuya kwala leyo loko vulavuleni la ku tlhokovetsela ho endlela mahlweni because nina
kasi the question leti kuma ku swa ona laptop why
mina mhleketa nga ri kahle a swi tshike sweswo ita swi vasi ku rin'wana mi nga ta kuma mbalala na robot sweswo mara it's fine ana lata ku miya mahlweni mara hi kha hi yisa sweswo mahlweni leswi mi ri ku hlamuseriseni swona. Ego, it's one of the things leswi dlayaka hina Matsonga yi valwa le bota alimoyana wa itsundzuke mashapa ya ego ya Matsonga ya ku hi lwisana sweswi swin'wana swi nga pfuni nchumu mi kuma ku munhu sweswi ni le ku lweni na vas John hi lwisa industry mara ka industry ya lena hina hi se humelela matwisanya. So if you can see something like that and you are willing or amla ku party ya yona ntakushula disease yo fana leyo mela ku va munhu lo andlandlamuxaku va makwerhu na lava mi swi vona ku a endleni swilo leswiwani swi va something good. That's why I was loko an tshama la ngeni think at comedy night ta n'we an sungula ku swi vona hi suggestion leyi va nga hi nyika ku ita no ne following so okay he's doing something, he's doing this, he's doing that, so which means is grounded, he knows what he's doing, he's building and all those things. So and big ups for that.
Thank you, sir.
You don't want to be part of disease yaku mina nilwisana na swimani mani nilwisana crowd la kokela na crowd. No, if loko crowd yi fane yita ayitika hina hi ri two and hinkwenu va hi winini matwisanyana loko it's my comedy night na ntisa vas John na vas John una share na mina na share loko ku ya vas John na n'wina mina share na yena na share, then it's working together to build something that is new matwisanyana and shiva strong loko ri na unit. So ana lata vula sweswo.
No, coming to that maka competition we la South Africa we have more than 56 million ya vanhu. Loko nga sina endle show ku ta 56 million ya vanhu swi swa ku wa va need vanhu van'wanyana. So it is very very important
na loko mngeza subscribe kuna 59 million leyi nga la na share.
What is this? So ungasina hlangana ni 56 million ya vanhu lava kumbe 57 million census ri iyo census ne ungasina hlangana 57 million ya vanhu lava nga la South Africa wava need vanhu van'wanyana.
Ne?
So you cannot brag if you show ya 2,000 ya vanhu. There are people who can host a show kuta more than 5,000 ya vanhu. So for me to compete, no example, for me to compete with my comedian, for me to compete with Charlie,
Ne?
because of I need him. Now I want to need that. For us to build this thing. So there is this thing.
Yeah.
So for us to compete, I think it's unnecessary.
Ne?
So when I talk about ego, I know like ego leya ku nititwa ngaku ninkulu kuyenza mani. Ego leya ku, as a comedian, I've worked hard to be able to hlanganisa this amount of people. And then when I come to my show and perform, so even the people who love at show I be PROMAD that one ka poster. I give a comedian ari one ka show. Kuni vanhu van'wana va nga ta fika va support show ya yena.
I think
Okay,
so.
make sense mema hlweni. I rivele sponsor sha one our old sponsor one nangusa sweswo. Bila ICT Solutions, they are inspired by innovation.
Drinks guys.
So Bila ICT Solutions, even over the computer network, anything that you need ITC related, tihlanganise na vanhu va Bila ICT Solutions. Hambi na kwala thula mahashi va nga fika va deliver somewhere. So tihlanganise na Bila ICT Solutions, information hinkwayo la hansi. So loko u va lava tihlanganise na vona Bila ICT Solutions, they are inspired by innovation. Yes, Mashab.
Okay. Andaka me. So
Hey, Basjon.
she connected.
question.
So
Okay, continue.
it was connected na lesi mashaka ba khabasibula la.
Ne?
Mashaka anasti kumina kumbe mositiba ku maybe abasitha ba involved ka sisokara.
Yeah.
Ne? Mara mi shibutisa ku mansitive. Mi tshama ba involved ka kuba na bad blood or swin'wana swo taniyani na kumbe mi endla joke munhu ivi swi endla sweswo swi vuya ka n'wina swi va ku PROMAD u te yini se ku va nyakanyaka liya mi tshama ba
Ku va na spaghetti nyana xin'wanyana xo ka xi nga twisiseki.
tshama ba mi hlangana swilo swo tani and if mi hlangana na swona ku humelelile and swi solveke njhani?
Me antsundzuki ve na beef yo karhi ni a fellow artist. Yeah, it's just that sometimes wa kume beef ka Facebook. Unga expectanga just a random person atokushura yo tshama endlwini yabo. Atsala type. Yeah, there was a time where there was this other guy this one yo ingani yingafika endzeni ka me. Aku PROMAD that sick. Way back. PROMAD that sick ashama yabo. So yeah, those yivo vanhu volava swa ku every day wa hlangana ni munhu wo karhi ka comment or a comment swa negative or this. So but yeah, ni sure ku na kona kwala ka podcast yo leyi there are some people who will comment. Munhu a take data ya yena. Munhu afika comment. So and you know those comments they hit hard.
No.
Those negative
ones. Sometimes.
You know.
Admin is that tavula kuna delete.
So you come across those kind of comments, but at the same time, local artists shila to kuyaka. So angirandzi vanhu hinkwavo ni mali
Ne. So.
I vanhu hinkwavo nga ta ni tsakela mbi Mandela a vanhu hinkwavo va mi rhandza.
Ne. Urini Mashab. Ne. Erisimu ra mani ka meni ra beni mahingana.
So yeah, nike nje.
Question ya mela. Ayihluphanga. Unlike dog okay, kungena semi.
Ayihluphanga.
Yeah.
Befike mfundisi wabo ngomfundisa kweni. Kuna van'wana kwala ka Simba fundisa kwata kundaka ngumesi vona ku okay ntwana leyi ya kota ku izama ku tirha ntirho wa so mara hi nga tivi ku fambisa kweni.
Oh yeah. Hey. And that one is a good question. We do have fellow comedians, especially I not want to upcoming comedians, because we want a comedy. Ishi shungwan shakushi shashupe kushenda.
Ne.
It's not easy. Comedy, more special stand-up comedy. Ishi simple. Let's take a phone, veka a phone, uvula leswa. Anyone can do it.
Ne.
Anyone can do that. That's why I want threatening lava vula phone. Because you can do it. he can do it. Anyone can do that. Mara to stand in front of people and then you share your views. That one is very difficult. So around Bushbuck Ridge, I never because of they know. It's not child's play. Yeah. So I do have fellow comedians lava ikhuluma ka okay joke le ingayenda njani improve njani okay yeah mara lava they are the upcoming comedians say sama okay do this no aisnava nabona because of naye aisnafike ka level liya yaku we are that big. Oh yeah, mara time will come, we will definitely do have. Mara, it was a good question though. Yeah.
Mashava sekhaya kuphaleni kuna yin'wana lava kula ku vulavula.
Oh, you say you deal spitz or
mana phofula loko mla phofula loko ama valala timhaka ta varini ta ku teka phone un'wana n'wana nga swi endla. How do you, I know it might sound like a very funny question, but how do you come up with stuff that you do on TikTok? Because kuna yin'wana
Spontaneous.
and wata kuna yin'wana nika tshama nhlangana yona no hlangana yona ka TikTok yi khome phone yi humese efestere so tsani twisiku yi te njhana de okay wona humesa phone efestere ni ntlanga ri ni valala na vanhu hi festere ivi ni va byela ku loko va mutisa ku i ximanga lexi mi xi dyaku hi xi mi nga va byeli ku i ximanga xi va nga ta famba ku hina hi dya ximanga se ni la ku twisa ku how do you come up with such things swa ku you just wake up and say okay mon teka phone yi humesa efestere ni vulavula as ni vulavula na munhu efestere.
Hey bra firstly I mean Rendzo kuhlamusela look itasungula leswaku yendle ti skits it was 2017 way back before my TikTok. We are one of the few lava manga trended before TikTok. Before I trended status ka WhatsApp. So I started 2017 no time and no one told me so okay you no matter how can I at least reach people from far, because a stand-up comedy I can do a stand-up comedy today mara it will be very hard for you epitori ubukele show ya me. So I was like no man, I have material, let me just take a cell phone ndaposte ka YouTube nleka WhatsApp
Okay
nleka Facebook. So I started 2017 2018 2019, that's when people like were there. Yeah, I video ngwanyani nguna cancel kunigange isesi. So so I was crying on that video. So comedy ya mene mashaba itakuchacha
ene ungarivali phela kuchacha kala aya kuchacha leswaso
itakuhlongola
kuchacha ni kuhlongorisiwa ndakuhlongola ana la kuchacha
yeah. So my comedic stories, they come from reality. Yeah. Most of them. So my comedic stories, they come from reality, what I've experienced from other people and what happened to me personally. So it comes from reality. So yeah, so yeah, we not the video let's do reality.
So another thing, loko nilangutisa ka this comedy industry vanhu va end up va ri either u ta va ri na show or u ta va ri ka some acting gig or something related a va ri somewhere ka TV a ni tivi ku ri na n'wina mi le ku swi langutiseni ku na tihlo leri ri nga tumbela nyana ri langutise sweswi ku ri na mina ya kwalaya because vanhu vo tala va helela kwalaya and xin'wanyana on the same breath ni twa ingaku vanhu vo tala loko se va nghena le more especially hala ka ku actor swi vhela swi suffocate hala ka ti stand up comedy. Remember stand up comedy on its own it's therapy ka vanhu.
It's true.
Just to go and see the Chinese va proven ku ri u hleka swi hunguta stress.
Yeah.
Ne? So ku va or mi stand up comedy swi hunguta one trip to the doctor.
Yeah, it's true.
Kuma prescription.
vo fana vo mashava
Non bibele ya vula swa ku loko hleka ku milana msisi, it's true.
yile kwi
Chekani mtasibona.
that's on afro u tshama ri ku hlekeleleni ene makuta mashaka pashava loko za hleka kunjani ya afro
Mashava awa continue question kumbe
bakaleli langutisa minkarhi yo tala loko ti-comedian kuma ti ri hala ka acting or kuma ti absorbiwe hi career yin'wanyana because of their main career
Yeah.
ya comedy.
Yeah.
U kuma ku se va kumeka va suffocata career ya their main career.
The main, yeah.
Concentrating ya
Eka the
yin'wanyana.
other.
They don't even make it big.
Yeah.
Mabo. This is one leswi mi nga swi langutisa sweswo. Let's say sweswi ya fika
But John, why?
loko va dyela ngopfu hala ka acting le a ti vuyele a dzama banana loko va tsutsuma
i hlamulu somehow mara
Yeah.
I think maybe va nga hlela kahle.
But Jay is vulavule ntiyiso. Vanhu va ku tala hi lava mali. Awani. Yeah, kulaveki mali. So the moment u fika u kume a platform leyi ku nyikaka imali.
famba imali
Ku hanya imali.
ku vulavula imali
swi nge na rirhandzu
imali
a na ha ri lavi so mhaka ka mina laha loko ni langutisa ni imali so nkingha yin'wana yi nga va kumbe yi vanga hi ku sweswi loko PROMAD a fika ku ni buke holo liya ya ngeni 100 rand.
Yeah.
Vanhu va community yangu kusungula a ku nge hakeli 100 rand ya vona PROMAD.
Ina vona yeah.
So loko kuma chance kumbe u vitaniwa ka Land of Blood kumbe generation.
Yeah.
U vale ku katale ku
Yeah.
se ni ya ku dena.
Yeah, I stigma lexi hi lwaka na xo on a daily basis. Xa ku loko munhu a cabanga ku xava ticket i ta counta ni vanhu lava nga ta xava swa loko xo kuma 10 ya vanhu xi ni 1000.
eish
Awani. Loko xo kuma 100 xi na 10,000. And the people they don't count the liabilities. Like sound and everything leswi swi nga ta cost after the show. The comedians so leti nga ta invite they don't count those things. Vanhu vo count mali leyi nga ta yi kuma ntsena. So eka mhaka ya ti gig ta le handle there are those comedians lava va ka absorbed hi ti other work related stuff tavo mara emkarhini ya ku tala loko ta vona ti comedian ta ku tala loko ti fika eka TV va va nyika ti role ta ku fambiselana ni leswi a endlaka show because of they know just imagine me we are a doctor and you know me as a comedian
yi nga mi tshamanyana
So injection.
So now the producer they know okay loyi loko fika imnika this role ita fika itlanga so na he matsonga sweswi nyana ya swi lavi ku at least nje va hi feature ka swo story leswi swi nga la mara loko ku cheka is because of ai talanga eka industry
ne
a hi talanga eka industry loko hi va hi ri koma matsonga ya ku tala ma titlhota lawa ma nga le ka industry u kume munhu a vulavule xizucha xin'wana xa ka xi nga maki swona xizucha
izulu na changana izucha tolanga isochana xizucha waita izucha lesha xa la
so problem ako yo ile at the moment le ngana yo
okay mashaka na safe ka kupfaleni se mi nga ta na question ya n'wini ya
Mashava ya tani question
Ti tele ngopfu a ti nge
tana na
heli.
to ma hate Mashava
a hetelela ku tale na ha to vuya
So as mi ka mi hlamusela ku ri swa comedian swa comedy
yeah
ne swi nyuka hi swi nga va swi ri old ka tinxaka tin'wana ta kwala South Africa mara swi big
yeah
international
yeah
especially hala ya vadeni va hlampfu
yeah
mi nga va mi langutise swin'wana swa ku siku rin'wana mi ta tikuma mi ye kwalaya or mi na ta ku hayi n'we mi ti langutele hina matsonga machana
Yeah, PROMAD is an international brand.
Yay!
You know what's
Train,
that?
mos. Train.
You know what's that?
Hey.
Currently, I went to Zambia.
Okay.
Oh, another
I'm the first Xitsonga comedian to go to
Another
Zambia.
one.
Right. Yeah, last year under Zambia, Mozambique. Even this year, maybe the one that this next month. Yeah, I'll be in Mozambique, and I'm planning to host a comedy show in Mozambique.
Ne?
Yeah, so
Me ramba.
Invite.
no,
Yeah.
definitely.
Invite.
You're gonna see. And maybe you mngaba ku
Ikhona.
niba married team
Una passport?
ya ku itekela
Oh, you get your passport ready.
Naskota kid.
Was
Passport ready, ne?
ne?
yeah.
Home places.
So PROMAD is an international brand. Our aim is not to end up here.
Yeah.
At least ifikelela ni matiko lamangwanyana, yabo. So yeah, mara main focus ya sweswinyana yila like our community. Yeah, Matsonga, Machangani. Yabo, that's our main focus.
Ne.
So after that, then we'll take it internationally. We perform over Durban, bo PE, Port Elizabeth, Josie, yeah, everywhere. So why not? Why not family?
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, no kumbula una invading Africa, ne? Masasha wa mamiri ni matoma. Wakoma bubble school. Ah, so sala vega, so sala.
Yeah.
So takisa sne.
Yeah.
Takisa
Tumagatakash.
Madala ushadile kubheka njani?
No, I'm not married.
What
I'm still young.
We question. We question. Ya tumbu.
Uloka nchata na.
Bere bakubutisa. Bere ola kubachata na.
Nakubudisa kusandla ngani ngapha. Ni benyanti jokes. Asitiki yabo.
Mashaka yi constructen kahle.
Hey, vankwatisa bastion.
And you question amashaka ele.
Mashaka yi constructen kahle.
Okay, ayisunguleni la.
Yeah.
Mina la isunguli, anlabi isungula ka the black and the bear, the sweet and the juice.
Sorry, Masha, before my I do have a girlfriend. Yeah, now your girlfriend, but I'm not married. Yeah. Ish, angakwata loka wonisha.
Macho, mina.
Ya mashaka question na call kuifanise yinde mashwe.
Mashaka, come on. Maybe.
Okay, Mashaka.
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
Mashaka.
That with this, that's it.
Mashaka.
Ana girlfriend.
Ama kumsungula ka daka.
Hey,
Esuku
that's
yini.
like the black and the berry.
The sweet and the juice.
The black and the berry, the sweet and the juice.
Yeah.
Loko leswi mina swi tivisaka swona phrase leyi yi fambisana na ku mavona
Yeah.
Engiyama ngubona mashava lesake lezo.
yi fambisana na yini
Nafjiza.
Masaba sila mchacha. Masaba iterminate contract ya wena.
Ah, that's my shit.
Woponje mashava.
Nafjiza tata.
That most wanted. No.
Yeah. Sala la bush masaba. I found
mara
it.
the black and the berry yi fambisana na ku okay kumbe swi fambisana na ku dark and
And what?
So dark and
you
inside.
know yeah you know like munhu loya wo rhandziwa hi vatwana actually so question ayi lava ku
Loko mo mashava lesake loko ndeni. Akele utsamsekile. Abange mo chuma le xipuku.
so question ayi ya ka ku mi munhu wa vatwana na or kwala ka
Mashava ka savalala swona.
swi nga endleki like ka industry leyi
Yeah.
swi nga endleki loko ma ha ku heta ku chika stageni
No. Ani No, ani muna. Mara masaba.
Eta kutlangola loyi.
Masaba ita sala la.
Koxa makuna security.
Ungasitata movha ku tlherisa misa loyi.
No,
kwi ukombeta kwi kaswe
Sana laveli. Aripita vele.
I mean
Vele rangu
na mai mina.
rangu line. Okay, coming to your question.
Very sapati vele rako.
Lero hlongor sa un'wanyana.
To get better.
Sema kufaka case. Okay.
Masha, coming to your question ani munhu wabantwana I
Vamkaneta le lamata na bona.
ulava yini kazi? No, ani munhu wabantwana no, serious truly speaking ani munhu wagranze vanhu vasati because of I know ku vanhu vasati vangakuyaka and vangakuyisa so yeah ka kings yirtani bibeli
Masha ula khadi leri nga na rokulukumba luya.
vavasati va wisa
Wa swi kota ku formata mos.
so but yeah we na date ani munhu there
Yeah.
another him
Yeah.
na date ani munhu there mara I cannot say
Why sad?
what's sad
Okay.
I choose that.
these days vela swila ube specific
Yeah.
what's sad na date ana yena mara aisha ku vaza valongoloka
Oh, se vatwana lava volongoloka. Oh, okay.
yeah
Mawativa ku lava va ti camera va famba ti text so va tirhisa ku yini?
ulava yini la
We
Leto ka vutise ku I mani manga ku yo.
I stikeni kwalano.
so masaka awulokta van'wani va vo
Eh?
awulava
Kuna
ekuva
space.
mntwana wa mina we
Kuna space na.
for wena nga kwendlela alternative nyana natanga hey
Ina mkulungwana.
Abona ni wa kwata manje lo matlange bodi.
sorry mashake ukahle
Sendele email Tuesday.
Ndamsendela
Okay. Baka ina nga valalazarisha Masha.
Shaka uyohetele.
Eh.
Loko vanhu bala ku ai for mina for
Yeah.
vanhu. Mi nga ta ku se
Oh,
mi.
yeah,
Loko se
yeah,
vanhu bala ku mkuma vala ku mbuka va
Eh,
kuma-
Yeah.
thank you mashaka thank you loko vanhu valuta ibuka ko ka TikTok PROMAD, Facebook PROMAD, Instagram PROMAD, Twitter PROMAD. Phone number me futhi aniyali yona 0735394303 0735394303 ufona ntsena uyibuka sho okay we want you to come to this certain event isukra so kungava malini so then we charge you simple
Simple as that. Okay. 37.
Van'wana vula straight ku fona ntsena. Ani mina ni save ku la ku fona ntsena. Mina ku
Ne. And you very
Masakini nkinga guys
Mashaka ina problem.
Spontaneously.
Yeah.
kahle kahle.
So la nga kona. Loko se ka fika ku
Kisa.
Eh.
Bana joke man.
eko pfuka he.
kumbe
Awu yetlele.
yendleli joke hey those calls hey yendleli joke
Bokuse mayikuma message on.
va fone munhu akani kombela nendleli joke
So next gig ya n'wina yi le kwini?
next gig ya T1 yile T1 this next
Ta
month.
October.
Yeah, yile Mozambique. Yeah. So there is a lot going on that side.
Okay.
So next month T1 on a gig in Mozambique. So yeah, we got a couple of gigs coming.
Okay.
Tingwanyana ni later to
Oh, yeah.
so yeah, comedy shows, blah 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 blah. So yeah.
Okay. So I think ngayipfala kwala.
No, cameraman angana question.
Mina question. Very the chondo to kuma kwi.
Edin Jones.
No,
logo hi huma ita mkomba swa mutana tashava kwi.
So until is that hlangana kambe episode late soka ngena Bila ICT Solutions na Undefined House. This special edition or this special episode was brought to you by
Cottage Itari.
Cottage Itari, not Italy. Itari, Atula Mashi.
It's a restaurant.
It's a restaurant. Ila kudwa kona. That's why I vita Itari, not Italy.
Itari.
Yeah. So,
Bana jonga majayo ku ize uma la thula mahashi.
hey.
Oh utaka uye thula mahashi.
Yeah.
So loko rutula mahashu lava na swakudya tihlanganisi na vele
Cottage Itari.
Cottage Itari.
Simple nati events va swi kota ku cater.
Yeah, it's a very quite nice space.
Bana
Yeah.
maybe the munhu ala ku va contacta from remote areas,
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Matiwat number tabo.
No,
Meta sendela to that tsala la hansi. So number tabo ile
yeah.
mtu bona kula
And
hansi.
they do host events here.
Yeah. It's a very good, it's a beautiful place.
Yeah,
space.
so
Yeah,
secure.
yeah, yeah.
Na imagine kurina like all white party.
Yeah.
Makubona?
Yeah, we usually.
Ya endla.
na stand up comedy xa pfumela
Ne? Na stand up comedy xa pfumela. Stage nyana, xithamanya kun'wana. Then
We normally host here.
ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. So like na event you want to eat and come chill, or you have a birthday party, you can come to
Cottage
Cottage
Eatery.
Eatery.
Yeah.
So tikumorela nwana. Eh? Hey, wena imanyana contact le Cottage Eatery letwa la hansi. Until ihlangana nakambe iswezo.